Hi, today's topic is exponential function, exponential growth, exponential decay. An exponential function is in the form of y equal to b to the x. B is the base. The base b is any positive number other than 1. So this is some example of exponential function. Y equal to 2 to the x, y equal to 3 to the x, y equal to 4 to the x. So these are bigger than 1 as a base. 2, 3, 4. Now the following will be the base that's smaller than 1, but still positive. Y equal to half to the x, y equal to 1/3 to the x, y equal to 0.1 to the x, y equal to 0.8 to the x. So now we're going to analyze what happened to the exponential function when b is bigger than 1. And then we're going to talk about what happened to the function when b is smaller than 1. So let's take a look here. So we say that when the base b is bigger than 1, the y value increases very fast. So for example, y equal to 2 to the x. So I am going to choose some number like -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the x value. And then I'm going to calculate. So 2 to the -1 is a half. 2 to the 0 is 1. 2 to the 1 is 2. 2 to the 2 is 4. 2 to the third is 8. 2 to the 4 is 16. 2 to the 5th is 32. So now we're going to plug the point, -1 comma half, and then 0 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 8, 4 comma 16. I cannot grab the 5 comma 32, but you can see the pattern. This increased so fast. It goes really, really fast, increase very, very fast. So all the exponential function would be bigger than 1, look like y equal to 2 to the x, a J shape, like a J. See that? Like a J. The graph increase or grow very fast to the right. You go like this, really fast. Now let's see what happened if you have a b that is smaller than 1. So when the base b is less than 1 or smaller than 1, such as 1/2, 1/3, 0.5, 0.8, 0.25, the y value decreases very fast to the right. So I choose y equal to 0.25x. So I chose the x value -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I use a calculator to substitute. And then when 0.21 to the -1, I get 4. And then you get 0.25 to the 0, you get 1. 0.25 to the 1, you get 0.25. 0.25 to second power, you get 0.0625. And when you do 0.25 to the third power, you get 0.015625. You get it smaller. 0.25 to the fourth power, you get 0.0039. So now I fill in the table, and then I'm going to plug the point. -1 comma 4, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 0.25, 2 comma 0.0625, 3 comma 0.015625, and then you connect them. You can see it. The graph decrease, getting smaller so fast. Okay, decrease very fast. That's why we say the y value decrease very fast to the right when you have a base that is smaller than 1. So we say that all the exponential function with the b less than 1 or smaller than 1 look like y equal to 0.25x, a L shape like this. The graph is decreasing very fast to the right. Exponential growth. Growth, it means increase. So you can see the base had to be bigger than 1. So y equal to 500 times 2 to the x is the exponential growth because the base is 2, is bigger than 1. It goes like this, increase really fast. Y equal to 600 times 3 to the x. So the base is 3, is also bigger than 1. So the graph will go like this, increase really fast. So these are example exponential growth. The y value increase very fast to the right. Exponential decay. Decay, it means getting smaller. So definitely the base had to be smaller than 1. So for example, y equal to 500 times half to the x. Half is smaller than 1. So therefore, you can imagine the graph like this, getting smaller very fast. And then y equals 600 times 1/3 to the x. 1/3 is smaller than 1. So the graph is going to be like this. So These are the example of exponential decay. The y value decreases very fast to the right. Now I'm going to ask you to look at the questions and then tell me which one is the answer. Number 1, which of the following is an exponential function? Is it choice A, B, or C, or D? The answer is D, because y equals 2 to the x. Base is 2. Linear, linear, and linear. Line function for A, B, C. So the answer for number 1 is D. This is the only exponential function. Number 2, which of the following exponential function increase to the right? So that means the b had to be bigger than 1. So now only A is the answer. The base b is 4. It's bigger than 1, so it increased really fast. Number 3, which of the following exponential function decrease to the right? Decrease, so that means the base is less than 1. You have to go this way. So you can see the answer is B, because the base is 0.2, is smaller than 1. Number 4, which of the following exponential function is an exponential growth? Exponential growth means you have to go this way really fast. So what happened to the base? Should the base be bigger than 1? The answer is yes. The base had to be bigger than 1. So therefore, 800 times 3 to the x is the answer, because the base equals 3 is bigger than 1. So cannot be B. Number 5, which of the following exponential function is an exponential decay? Decay means decrease. So which one is the answer? Decrease means the base is less than 1. So which one have a base less than 1? The answer is B, because the base is 1/4, is smaller than 1. Now we finished today's lesson. Go to rate a summary for the lesson, and you are going to do 4 multiple choice questions just look like the one we did.